Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Start by opening clock and choosing alarm at the bottom left corner, then tap on the plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour, and when you're done, click on repeat. Select days of the week, and when you're done, click OK. Then tap on the switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations, and tap on sound. By clicking on music on device, you can select songs from your device. But if you want one of the system melodies, you can always pick one of these ringtones by clicking on it. Go back, click on label, and label your alarm however you wish to. When you're done, click OK. Now choose ring duration and select how many minutes your alarm will ring if you're not responding to it. When you're done, click on snooze duration and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat by swiping left or right. Then click OK and tap at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. You can also hold it, tap on one of these alarms, for example that one, and select delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.